Okay, so we're about to go put up the lights. I just need to put on my gloves and then we're gonna get going. Guys, ready? Probably gonna be my longest video yet. Ready? It's my PJ day today at school. Let's go! I think it's up here. Or we're gonna come from. Okay. Hold on. Huh? Why?
Give me a knife.
Which one? This one?
No, go back. I got it. Go back. Hey, hello. Go back.
Sharp knife. So when it's pretty sharp. Yeah. Just gotta wait. Get something from outside. This mini Nerf gun, which I will be bringing outside, is the best Nerf gun I've ever held. I'm gonna load it up before I go inside, because just why not? Why not just have them everything? Okay.
One.
That's one. ASMR, guys, ASMR.
Give me a knife.
A knife.
Use this.
Oh, bro. I really wanted to get a knife. It's not gonna work.
Yeah, it already works.
That was so unsuccessful. So, ready for the sound from this, guys? Oh, yeah.
What are you doing?
That was so sad. No, that's so satisfying. You want me to get a knife instead? Would that be easier? It's like music to my ears. Put you down. I got it. Ooh, that was so satisfying. I don't think I'm responsible with glass.
I'm not glass, it's plastic. Here. Can you hold that? With 2 hands.
I will need 2 hands. Mama, come on! I'm gonna check out Cupcake VR's thing after this because he just posted it. So, the time while I'm recording this, not right now. Don't. I mean, you could check out his channel. Go check it out. But yeah. Let's check out Parker VR and Team Costa. Ready, let's go. Wait, where are we doing it?
Over here.
Up front. Side of the camera.
Hi, camera.
Bro.
It's not going to be a lot of lights.
Not a lot. We only have 2 coils.
Huh?
We only have 2 coils, so.
So let's see.
What did I draw? Oh. Dropped my hair. Extension cord. Here it comes. Who's on Team Hero? That's my favorite type of gun. I think that hit her. Yeah. I'm trying to find the end of the extension cord. I'm just gonna try to check. Oh my god, that scraped you. Oh my god, that scraped you. I'm gonna be like POV of the scoper. 19. Okay. I'm just gonna. Let's go. I think I hit it. Best shot ever. We're gonna get one more distance. This will be a Nerf gun in the Battle Pass Royale.